The last example is denying some use. So, sometimes you may have a policy in your organization, not a net policy, but like a paper policy that says all corporate documentation will be stored and saved through, Google Docs or some other solution. And, I'm picking on Dropbox for absolutely no reason here. But you may want to say, I've seen a couple of my users, my employees having a bad habit of uploading things through Dropbox. So it's kind of, shadow data transfers at an organization level. They don't know where data is going, why it's going there. So I want to prevent my users from uploading and doing things on Dropbox. So you can create a policy here as an example. So this is a DNS policy. And all I'm saying is, in this case, mobile. So I specify the tag. I say, I don't want my mobile users to use Dropbox. Dropbox.com with subdomains. To CNAME google.com. And then in this case, I put in some time of day, 8 a.m., 7 p.m., Monday through Friday, Los Angeles time. And I created the policy. So now any of my users that attempt to go to Dropbox.com, or maybe they have the client under their Windows box, sometimes they don't even know, right? It's uploading things, mirrored things in the cloud. The DNS for Dropbox.com will be automatically redirected to Google.com, which will, effectively kind of stop all of this. This is done at the DNS level. You could also do this at the IP level. You could create firewall rules to prevent to go to the IP addresses that resolve to the Dropbox API. The imagination's the limit.